Hey, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to give an update on Digital Wealth Pros. So there's the level of $200 and $400. But as of March 1st of 2022, there's going to be a new level coming in at $800. So if you currently join at the $400 level, you'll be grandfathered into the $800 level. And you only have a few hours left, but if you join with me, you'll also get access to a private Facebook group that's created by my sponsor, and she's currently on top of the leaderboards, Tammy Montgomery. And you'll get access to a lot of great resources. So go ahead and click the link in the description and you'll get access to Digital Wealth Pros and creating another income stream. But let's get it, and I hope to see you on the inside.